So far, we've asked about where f of x has one characteristic, but it's also possible to ask about where f of x has two characteristics. So here we have f prime of x again, given to us in the graph. We want to find all values of x where f of x is both concave up and decreasing. So we're definitely going to need all the lines for this. Oops, that's single prime. Well, not all the lines, but 2 out of the 3. And we know that if we translate that over to f of x, we're looking at concavity, we're looking at decreasing, so we need these two lines. We don't need to bother to fill in this top line up here. Okay, increasing, oh, these actually should be ending at -3, 4, alrighty, increasing from -3 to -1, decreasing again. Wait, what did I say? That's -2. Decreasing again until 0. Increasing to 2, decreasing to 4. This is positive from -3 to -1. It is negative until 2, and after that it is still negative. So, when we translate here, that means concave up, concave down, concave up, concave down, increasing, decreasing, decreasing. So for these ones, we do want to be a little bit careful here to line up these numbers. So -1 should be between -2 and 0, and let's see, this is 2. These should be right on top of each other, because that's going to let us basically figure out where the two things that we're interested in overlap. So we are interested in where the function is decreasing. So it's decreasing right here and right here. And we also want concave up. So it's concave up right here and right here. So we're looking for what values of x is it both decreasing, so that's -1 to 4, and concave up. So we don't want 2 to 4 because that's concave down. We don't want, let's see, -1 to 0 because that's concave down. But if we look right here from 0 to 2, f of x is both concave up and decreasing. So our answer notice that we are getting the beginning of it right up here from 0, and then the end of 2. And we know that that's the case because f prime of x is increasing and negative. And there's our answer. We can also be asked this in a slightly different way. Find all values of x where f of x is concave down with a positive slope. So the key is just so you have to know what this is talking about. Positive slope, that means it's going like this, that means it's increasing. So we're going to look at that same f of x graph that we have up here. Looking at concavity. Increasing, decreasing is going to be exactly the same thing. It's simply that this time we're interested in where f of x is concave down. So that's those two spots, and increasing. So when we look over here, we're not going to use any of this because it's not increasing. We're not going to use this piece because it's concave up. So we're looking at this chunk right here, from -2 to -1. Means f of x is concave down. When x is between -2 and -1. Because, well, we can see this right off the graph, but where are we getting that from? When f of x is concave down, f prime of x is decreasing, and when f of x is increasing, f prime of x is positive. All done.